What is a baking class? Good morning everyone. Today I would like to talk about baking class. A baking class is a learning season where people learn how to bake different types of food such as cakes, cookies, bread, and pastry. Baking classes are fun, educational, and sustainable for people of all ages. In a baking class, participants can improve their baking skill and learn new recipes. What you will learn in a baking class, participants will learn many useful skills. They will learn about the measure ingredients correctly, mix batter properly, and decorate cakes beautifully. Participants will also learn baking techniques, safety rules in the kitchens, and how to follow recipes step by step. This skill can help beginners become more confident in baking. Baking tools. There are many important tools used in baking. Some common baking tools are ovens, mixing bowls, measuring cups, measuring spoons, wicks, spatulas, baking tray, and mixers. Each tool has its own function and helps make baking easier and faster. Using the correct tools is important to produce good baking results. Main ingredients. The main ingredients in baking are flour, sugar, eggs, butter, milk, and baking powder. Chocolate, vanilla, and fruit also commonly used for flavor and decoration. Good ingredients can improve the taste and quality of baked food. Bakers must also measure ingredients carefully to get the best result. Menu to be made. 1. The menu to be made includes chocolate, cake, cookies, brownies, and cupcakes. 2. Cookies and brownies are popular snacks loved by many people. 3. Chocolate cake is rich, soft, and delicious to eat. And the last one, cupcakes can be decorated creatively with cream and colorful toppings. Baking steps. There are several basic baking steps. First, prepare all ingredients and baking tools. Next, mix the ingredients carefully according to the recipe. Then, pour the batter into a baking tray or mold. After that, bake the food in the oven at the correct temperature. Finally, let the baked food cool before decorating and serving. Baking tips for success. There are many useful baking tips for success. Always measure ingredients correctly and follow the recipe carefully. Preheat the oven before baking to ensure even cooking. Do not open the oven too often because it may affect the baking result. Patience and practice are also important in baking. Benefit of joining baking class. Joining a baking class can improve baking skill and kitchen knowledge. Baking class also help participants become more confident. It can increase creativity in making cakes and dessert. In addition, baking can be a fun hobby and future career opportunity. Participant level. Baking classes are suitable for beginners, students, teenagers, and anyone interested in baking. Participants do not need professional experience because instructors will guide them step by step. Baking classes are designed to be simple, fun, and easy to understand. In conclusion, baking classes are fun and educational activities that help people learn useful baking skills. Participants can learn recipes, improve creativity, and make delicious desserts. Baking is not only about food, but also about practice, creativity, and enjoyment.